Okay, so we are at Barth's Home Auto Sales near Cumberland, Maryland, and you are looking at a 1955 Ford Thunderbird in a solid restored condition. You can see this is actually a one-family-owned car prior to it coming here, so technically two owners, but one family has owned it. They haven't messed around with it. The paint has some issues. It's definitely a project, but it is solid. It's a very solid car. The chrome looks decent. It does start, run, and drive. You can drive it home. Obviously, it's ready for a restoration. These cars are big money, fully restored. And if you're looking for a project, this is awesome. You can open up that trunk. It's not rusted out underneath. You can call Barth, get all the details on this car. You can find it and a lot more at theautoexpo.com or in the Auto Expo magazine. And that's not all he's got that's of interest. There's a nice 86 Mercedes, a convertible Camaro, several other great cars up here.